What is good, my guys and girls of YouTube? My name is Justin Omoi, and I'm here with a video for y'all today on monotone singing, rapping, and problems, I guess you could say. I'm sorry, by the way, if you hear noise inside of my microphone. My fan string is broken and it's set on, I guess you could say, medium. Alright, but monotone. What is up with monotone voice? What's the use of it? How to fix yourself from having a monotone voice. And yeah. So let's start with the obvious thing. Monotone is just straight up one tone that doesn't really have a pitch changing up and down or down. No intonation. What is good for monotone? Not singing, of course. Monotone, however, does give a nice, straight, look at me in the face kind of vibe. If you guys and girls are familiar with David Blaine, he has something similar to this in terms of his voice, where it's just monotone, and he just, does some magic tricks for you guys and girls. Like, yo, pick a card. Take this card. Remember this card. Why is it behind your head? Type of vibe. You can tell that monotone is not really the best thing when it comes to rapping. So if you are in rap music and you sound like this the whole time, chances are you may or may not get the song you wanted in the first place. So for example, if I were to be like rapping, I don't know, yo, spaghetti-os, I'm trying to get the money, yo, Cheerios, like cereal I finna eat up in the flow. It's boring. Oh my god, I had to break myself out of that. Having a monotone, it could be something cool with the seriousness, but you need to have melody in your voice to give your song some life. You need to have dynamics. You need to have pitch changing to have compelling voices like mine right now. Monotone is just, I don't feel like doing work. But pitch changing catches people's attentions. So if you are one who has a monotone voice and is just not really compelling and you want to have different sounding styles in terms of having pitch, all you have to do is sing some music or sing along at home, practice singing, speak in a higher pitch than just this. I'm so bored, I'm so depressed about life. I'm happy, I'm going to Disney World. Have some expression in your voice. Otherwise, you'll sound boring like me if it's just straight up monotone the whole time. Even Morgan Freeman has different tones, pitches in his voice. If you rap like this, oh yeah, it's me, your boy Justin Omoi, hitting some bars. You're not singing. You're not melodically singing. You're just straight up monotone. You're interchanging. You're not changing your pitches. You're not, oh, yo, it's your boy, Justin Omoi, spitting bars. No, you're just straight up monotone like this, just bland, Yo, it's your boy. Yo, 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 it's your boy, Justin Omoi. I'm here with some rap. It's still monotone if you stay up there in one tone. You need to have interchangeable pitches. If you guys and girls are already tired of my voice, don't worry, because this is the end of the video. You could tell that monotone voice is straight up non-emotional for the most part. It could feel like, intimidating in some ways, but it's not really giving your song life in terms of, other emotions, happy, sad, mad. Monotone, yeah, I'm gonna kill you. No emotions. Hopefully you guys and girls enjoyed this video. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to stick along, see more, understand more about music and all that stuff, artistry. And yeah, my name is Justin Omoi. And with that being said, peace. I'm out. Peace.